Now we have to see why the newspaper exactly matters. First of all, the first thing we are going to see is the importance of newspaper. Secondly, what we are going to observe in this question is the pattern, the new pattern adopted by UPSC. You see, this is 2025 paper. Now see the length of this question, the statement length, almost 5 lines, right? Here 4 lines, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 lines. Here you see 4 lines, 3 lines, 3 lines. Here you see 5 lines. So they are making the questions very lengthier. Okay, and what is the reason behind this? They want to check your like calmness and peace of mind during the examination hall, because when the statement is made lengthy or lengthier, what you are supposed to like, you lose the focus and you miss the essence of the statement. So that we should avoid during the examination. Now, how we are going to do this? Suppose this question. Now, this question is directly asked from the today's newspaper. Suppose, okay, this question might come in the examination. All right, let's see. Consider the following statements regarding Vela Kali and its associated habitat recently seen in the news. Now, Vela Kali is a species of freshwater crab that is strictly endemic to the forests and streams of the central western Ghats. Researchers have recently documented instances of gynandromorphy in this species, a rare biological condition where a single individual physically exhibits both male and female traits. Okay, now Silent Valley National Park, where this discovery was made, is situated within the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve and is predominantly characterized by tropical dry deciduous forest. Suppose we don't know anything about this question right now. We are in the examination hall, we don't know anything about this question. Now, what is known to us? That statement we should focus first. Out of this statement, suppose we don't know anything. Because this is completely new, this species is new, right? Secondly, whether this species is like a gynandromorphology showing or not, we don't know. Now let's see the third statement. Here we have read this Silent Valley National Park. Also, we have read this Nilgiri. We whether the Silent Valley National Park is part of Nilgiri or not, that we must know, because Nilgiri has been asked in the PYQs. Okay. Now here we must know the Silent Valley lies within Nilgiri. What is next? Now, predominantly is the one extreme keyword they are using. All right. Now, what we have to do here? Characterized by tropical dry deciduous forest. Now you must be knowing whether the Nilgiri forests are dry deciduous forest or they are evergreen forest, because you are supposed to know this. Nilgiri has been already asked. I think Silent Valley also been asked. So you must be having in your PAN notebook, the PYQ analysis notebook, the details of this. Okay. Suppose you know that there is, you must be knowing this evergreen forest in the Nilgiris. So this statement becomes wrong. So when this statement becomes wrong, answer is 1 and 2 only, because we are not knowing these statements. In case we haven't read the news. Suppose we have read the news and at the same time we are not recollecting the facts. Then also we can apply this simple logic, and it is a logical reasoning based guess.